Ingredients: mincemeat 1 kilogram for 8 hamburgers, spices including ginger, black pepper, red pepper, salt, kari, mustard, nutmeg, cinnamon, thyme, turmeric, rosemary, dried peppermint as desired, an egg, a head of garlic, 3 big onions, breadcrumbs powder 10 tablespoons, oil as desired. First of all, grate onions. After that, grate garlic cloves and mix them with mincemeat. Then add dried peppermints and spices. Now you can break an egg into it. And don't forget to add breadcrumbs powder. Mix it completely. Then do what you're watching in the video, exactly what you're watching. When your raw hamburgers are ready, put them in the fridge for 30 minutes. And different kinds of vegetables as you desire. Now you can fry them. And you can serve them like this.